An Albany man will spend up to the rest of his life behind bars for the murder of his brother-in-law. CBS 6 was the only TV camera in court this morning when Ashley Heshmet learned his fate. Justin Bishop was found stabbed to death during a welfare check on January 14th. Albany police responding to the home on Rose Court where the 48-year-old lived with his brother-in-law, Ashley Heshmet.
It is another terrible irony that Justin, as a caregiver, was killed by someone for whom he was providing a home, food, and attempting to assist with receiving health care and social services.
Prosecutors say Heshmet tried to hide evidence and even made incriminating statements in a conversation that happened while he was in police lockup. He pleaded guilty to the murder in August, satisfying all 7 charges against him.
Although the PSI does note that he was intoxicated at the time, he is not trying to raise any type of intoxication or justification defense by his statement. He stands by his guilty plea.
Wednesday, a judge sentenced Heshmet to 20 years to life in prison. He refused his right to appeal.
I would echo the sentiments of the family who have spoken, obviously in detail and at length about their desire and to express on the record that this defendant should never receive parole.
Justin Bishop was a beloved former nurse at St. Peter's and an observant Quaker, something brought up in witness statements.
It is a terrible irony that Justin, an ardent pacifist who lived his values, was killed by someone who saw lethal violence as a way to solve problems.
Bishop was remembered as generous to a fault, offering Heshmet a home when he found himself unemployed due to medical issues, letting him stay when Heshmet's marriage failed, and even financially supporting him. Bishop's own marriage ended in divorce, and he planned to start a new life in Rochester. One family member said Bishop planned to sell the house, quote, leaving Ashley with no other prospects. Heshmet, silent in court, only speaking to offer an apology and accept his lengthy sentence.
I want to just say to the family, truly sorry. I feel tremendous guilt and shame. Hopefully, my sentence will be extensive.
Justin Bishop leaves behind several family members, a loving brother, a son, his former wife, cousins, and more, as well as devoted friends and colleagues in the Quaker community. Justin Bishop's mother died less than a year before his murder. A victim impact statement from Justin Bishop's son was read in court today as Bishop's ex-wife fought back tears. The son had just been released from the hospital the same day as the murder.